onion tea, wasabi-flavored Skittles, or a phone case with a slipper? Check out hilarious sister pranks in our new video. The girls' chill time is ruined by a phone call. Laura's boyfriend is finally calling. Kelly, have you seen my phone? I can't find it anywhere. I don't have a clue, sister. Haha, try to catch it. Hot glue a phone case to the side of a slipper. Put a case into the phone. So this is where my phone is. Okay, Kelly, give me your foot. You made your bed, now lie in it. Nothing can stop Laura from taking this important call. I'll spice up Kelly's candy. Laura decides to make Kelly's college life more interesting, and her favorite Skittles just so happen to be nearby. How lucky! Roll wasabi paste to shape Skittles. Mix them up with real Skittles and put them into the pack. Kelly is late to class. I need to bring some Skittles. That's my favorite snack. Kelly wants to eat a candy in class. Miss Smith is angry. Stop eating in class. Give some to your teacher instead. Oh gosh, Kelly is breathing fire like a dragon. Here, Kelly, drink some water. It will tame your inner dragon. Wow, college life is never boring. Kelly will never forget this party. Laura gets to work. Take an empty primer bottle. Fill it with Elmer's glue. And add a label. I'll apply some primer. Do my lips. And put my hair down. I'll be the star of this party. Hey, handsome! But the cute guy at the party runs away from Kelly. What's wrong? And why is this weird old guy following me? Kelly touches her face. Oh no! What happened to my skin? Laura constantly watches what Kelly eats for dinner. I need to teach this spy a lesson. Kelly glued eggs to the carton beforehand and left 2 eggs on the side not glued. Look, Laura, these eggs are defying gravity. Laura is so gullible. She wants to copy the experiment. Whoops! Bummer! Laura's energy makes the eggs fall. Well, Kelly, watch out! Kelly is drinking juice, but it won't pour out for some reason. Is this a magic trick? Let me try. Sure. Cover cherry Jello powder with water. Put a straw into a cup and wait for the jelly to harden. Well, let me try. Take that, sister. Surprise! Oh, you naughty girl. Back at it again with your pranks. Kelly spends half of her day in the bathroom in front of the mirror. I'll teach my sister how to wash her face faster. Apply green paint to a water tap. Then coat it with a lot of glue. Kelly opens the tap, but there's nasty green slime instead of water. Ew! There's disgusting slime living in the pipes. Kelly has a brilliant plan. Maybe now Laura will stop drinking milk straight from the carton. Cut a hole under the cap of a milk carton using a knife. Laura isn't using a cup again. Too bad. A milk shower is very refreshing. Oh, Kelly, you better watch out. Kelly Kelly has an important job interview today. She is super anxious and eats everything she can find. Laura can't miss the perfect opportunity to prank her. She adds food coloring to Muffins. Now the black filling is done. Oh, nice! Muffins! I'll take a few with me. Sure, sis. Take them all. And good luck with the interview.
Whew.
Wow, your resume is brilliant! Which I can't say about your smile. Did you have squid ink for breakfast? How embarrassing! I will never come back here! Laura loves it when the kitchen is clean. Kelly, when will you finally start helping me out? Here's a sponge. Get to work. Kelly will gladly start with her favorite task. Separate 3 eggs and whip the whites to make foam. Add 3½ ounces of sugar and whip. Add yolks and keep beating. Put in 3½ ounces of flour. Mix and the batter is done. Add food coloring to it. Pour it into a square mold. And bake for 30 minutes at 355 degrees. Get a cleaning sponge out of the sponge cake. Melt green chocolate glaze and coat one side of the cake with it. Sneaky Kelly swaps the real sponge for the sweet one and enjoys it as though there's nothing weird about eating a sponge. Poor Laura! Her sister's pranks made her insane! Doctor, I'm going crazy! I think my little sister eats dishwashing sponges! Help me! There's no reason to worry, dear Laura, because cleaning sponges are rich in vitamins. I eat them myself, and I highly recommend them to you too! Laura and Kelly are having breakfast, but neither of them wants to get up and make tea. We'll decide with rock, paper, scissors. This time, Kelly will go make tea. And meanwhile, I'll finish your breakfast, sister. Hey, how rude! Then you will get some nice onion tea for dessert. Peel an onion and chop the skin. Carefully take the thread off a tea bag and take out the tea. Put in the onion skin instead. Close the tea bag with a stapler and attach the thread. Hide it in the other tea bags. Enjoy your tea, sister! What a nice way to start your day! The sisters are going to drink tea. Kelly, is it that hard to not put a hot mug on the tablecloth? Take a coaster so you don't stain the table. Since you asked, I'll use a coaster. Draw a jigsaw puzzle. Cover it with parchment paper. Apply melted chocolate with food coloring around the outline. Fill in the center. Even out the edges with a knife when the chocolate hardens. Our chocolate coaster dessert for choco lovers is done! Kelly, what happened to your coaster? It melted! Oh, Laura, you were so sensitive! Did you like our sister prank ideas? Then comment below what you liked the most. Wasabi Skittles, onion tea, a chocolate coaster, or an edible cleaning sponge. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny prank ideas from Troom.